Be confident. The team at PACCAR Parts work hard to deliver quality products at competitive pricing. Let's take a look at the Kenworth Genuine Cleaning Range. Kenworth Genuine Spray Wax is a hyper-concentrated synthetic spray wax. Adding this product after washing results in an instant water beading and high-gloss finish to the surface. Drying the vehicle is also much easier. Use on clean, dry paintwork as a spray and wipe, foam onto wet paintwork, and hose off for an easy, spot-free rinse after washing, or spray onto a wet vehicle and chamois dry for an amazing soft finish. It is dilutable up to 100:1 and water-based. Kenworth Genuine Ceramic Spray Sealant is the optimum in providing a super glossy, silky finish to any surface. Vehicles will remain cleaner for longer and subsequent cleaning is much easier. The unique advanced polymer formulation creates a coating with a high-gloss, silky-smooth finish, superior water repellence and UV protection. It can also be used as a spray to remove light dust and road grime without the risk of scratching. All of the Kenworth cleaning range are biodegradable and phosphate-free. Washes are pH neutral, non-acid, non-alkaline and non-corrosive, and do not contain harsh ingredients and are all triple interceptor safe. They come in convenient pack sizes to suit all your needs and are made right here in Australia for Australian conditions. See the full PACCAR product range on our website, paccarparts.com.au/Kenworth-cleaning, or speak to your PACCAR Parts Regional Sales Manager. The Kenworth Genuine Cleaning Range, made for your Kenworth.